In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email subscription types in Hubspot. Email subscription types help you organize what people are signing up for, and they give contacts clear control over which kinds of emails they want to receive. Setting these up correctly also supports better compliance and cleaner reporting, because each email you send can be tied to the right category. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and open Settings. Settings is where Hubspot keeps the account-wide tools for marketing, sales, and data management. So this is the right place to configure subscriptions once and then use them across your emails. Inside Settings, navigate to Marketing, then click Email. This section controls how your marketing emails are managed, including deliverability options, branding settings, and subscriptions. Take a moment to confirm you are in the email area under Marketing, because there may be other email-related areas elsewhere in Hubspot. Next, click the Subscription Types tab. This tab shows the different subscription categories that contacts can opt into or opt out of. Keeping this list organized and easy to understand is important, because these names and descriptions can appear in subscription preference pages and in the unsubscribe experience. Now click the Create Subscription Type button. This starts the setup for a new category. When the form opens, type the name and description. The name should be short and specific, so it is easy to recognize at a glance. The description should clearly explain what kind of content the contact will receive and how often, using plain language. A clear description helps reduce unsubscribes and confusion later. After that, choose a purpose of subscription. The purpose helps Hubspot classify the subscription and can influence how the subscription is treated in your account. Select the option that best matches the intent of the emails and keep it consistent with how your team will use it in campaigns. Finally, click Create. Once it is created, the new subscription type will be available for use when you build or send marketing emails, so you can assign emails to the correct category and give contacts accurate choices. And that is all there is to it.